Come ride the little train that is rolling down the tracks to the junction. Forget about your cares, it is time to relax at the junction. Lots of curves, you bet, and even more when you get to the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
There's a little hotel called the Shady Rest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
It is run by Kate, come and be her guest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe, he's a moving kind of slow at the junction. Petticoat Junction.
Got a speed restriction at the 169 for some reason. I'm not sure which way he's going to go, backwards or he's going to go by us again. Did you see that guy in the back of the garbage truck dancing around? Alright, I don't know what the status is here, so we'll stand by again. Zooming on, we got that vehicle that was on the tracks. He's getting back on over there. Looks to me like he's gonna, guess he's gonna back that thing all the way to where we came from. Talk about diesel, dummy. What's going on? The conductor getting back on the front. Alright, well, unclear what he's going to do, so, alright, we'll see what happens next. Okay, L320 is going to be taking himself to Spencer, I guess. Not Spencer, so I thought he was moving. Oh, what do you stop for? Oh, I thought he was gonna go. Alright. Yeah, by per minute. I don't know, it looks to me like and the conductor is riding on the back of that train.
You didn't say you gotta go west on track 2.
Unless they got a bunch of cars back behind down there somewhere that they got to go pick up and drag with them. Wonder if that's the case. Well, anyway, there she goes. We may see him come back by us again, so alright, okay. Here we go again. Got M217 coming. There he is. It's an auto rack. There she goes. Okay, in a bit we'll get a axle count and we'll be back.
Detector, milepost 169er.2. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 39er 2. End of transmission.
Seemed like it was longer than that. Train's a train. Alright, we'll be back.
Detector, milepost 169er.2. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 132. End of transmission.
Okay, group, this would be IO 18 coming.
1716 325 over. Just so you know, and you don't start slowing down, they're ready for you there at 54 to go to Crestline.
Okay, I think you're talking of wheeling. Alright, we'll be back. Hey group, okay, came over to the other side of the crossing here. Here comes IO 18. It's a shorty. gate in the way. Okay, there goes that one. Okay, a little while we should have a westbounder coming now, a second westbounder. Actually, it's our third. All right, we'll be back. Comes the next train, but I have no idea who the hell he is. We'll figure it out. We got a westbounder too coming, so we'll be back. Okay, here comes our eastbounder that we heard though. This is M276. We do have cars in here, by the way. There she goes around the bend. Okay, we'll see if we can find out who our westbounder is coming, so we'll be back. Hey, here comes our westbounder. Found out it's M277 coming. So we got the pair today. Anyway, be fair. There she goes. Man, you talk about a bunch of hippity hop. Holy smokes. Huh. All right, we'll get back over here, see what our axle count, if these maniacs will let me across the road. All right, we'll be back.
Defect detector. Milepost 169er.2. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 452. End of transmission. 77 West 1, clear Homer, no defects.
Okay, we'll see what comes along. Okay, group, got our next one coming. This be M331 coming. Liquefied petroleum. Beautifully. Here comes the DCU already. Interesting. 2078. Liquefied petroleum. 10, yeah. Yeah, 2055 styrene. There comes the end. And there goes M331. Okay, group. I think I'm going to have to call it quits. I got to head back home. All right, yeah. Anyway, bear this in mind. Always look and listen at these crossings here, because sometimes these gates feel malfunction time to time. That train's going to get a second chance. You don't. If you ever get your car stuck on the tracks, call the blue sign that's on the signal post. Direct pathway to the railroad. Also get everybody out of the car. And if whatever happens, try not to get the cops involved, because they're going to twist it around on you. Jail you, steal your money, steal your car, providing if it survives. Hope that don't happen. Best defense against facing cops is always invoke your Fifth Amendment to remain silent, and you must say them words I just said. Less you tell them, less they can hem you up with. You are not under any obligation to help them in their investigation whatsoever. So in other words, tough luck. Give a thumbs up for the men and women of the railroad to keep America moving. We'll see you next time. On the way home, guess what? I guess I got ahead of M331. And here he comes. Can you believe that? didn't expect to end up over here this far on them that quick. Same styrene, 2348. I didn't remember that one before. I know the end is real close. There she goes. Okay, see you next time.
Petticoat Junction.